Welcome to TFA Files TV. We are back again with the latest gossip nyaya dziri kupisa dziri kutenderera pasocial media. Maovets back again achidedzera kuti iwo hatisi kudzora tsvimbo nekuti gudo rabata kumeso. ED must step down with immediate effect. Auraya nyika, akauraya vanhu vakawanda, atadza kupedza tribalism. Chanoziva kubira vanhu vemuZimbabwe vachiti kana vakabatwa ivo vanhu veZANU-PF vachita corruption vodedzera kuti we are the police, we are the army, saka muchaita sei? Tererai munzwa maoveti.
I'm here, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of war veterans and members of the public, ordinary people. We were quiet whilst all these other noisemakers were trying to be relevant. Guess what? We were busy consulting, just like what we did during the liberation struggle. We were working with the masses. We were working with the chiefs. We were working with Masugiro, the spirit mediums. And they've told us that war veterans, you put your garment there, sort it out. That is the challenge they have given us. They say, you have put this garment, you sort it out. And very true, we will definitely sort it out. I'm happy that the nation at large, which are the supplicating victims of this crisis, they have said, we will go with you veterans every step of the way. They have told us in no uncertain circumstances that this time around we must lead the onslaught, that the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe must step down immediately. And we are in agreement. We have reasons which we can explain throughout the night until the following morning. I've mentioned, among other things, he has failed to address corruption, which is the one that affects ordinary citizens, which affects our economy. He has failed to curb tribalism. He could be the architect. So he has failed to address all these things. We have given him 2 terms. And it would look like he has failed to fulfill that. It doesn't matter how flowery some people will try at any given time, try to portray him as the Messiah. We wouldn't be here today if indeed he was the Messiah. We wouldn't be having a crisis where when people try to air their views, they are locked up. We wouldn't be having a crisis of Vanamshikamshik, creating havoc, creating the jungle in places like Copacabana, where there is a health crisis because there's just no order. So those are the things which has really pressured the people who had respected their government to come up with a decision to say, no, Mr. President, you have failed, and as such, you must step down. We put you, we remove you. It's very straightforward, I believe. And I'm speaking on behalf of the majority of citizens who have been pressurizing us for far too long. We just simply wanted to consult enough so that it doesn't become a material an association initiative. It's everyone's initiative. It affects nurses, it affects doctors, it affects lawyers, it affects the media, the fraternity, it affects any human being who lives in this country. So the challenge is,
I'm sure mazvionerawo mega guys, chakabvondoka. Things are not looking good muZimbabwe because iyo ZANU-PF panga ichifunga kuti yapedza basa nekuti Geza is nowhere to be found, akawanda vakazama kuthreatena mukadzi wake nezvo vakasunga iye anonzi Blessed interview Geza, saka vachifunga kuti vapedza zvese, but maovhets ari kuramba ari kutsika ndiwo mamwe maovhets adzoka zvekare. Musakangana kuti vakazama kutengwa vachizama kupusiswa nemari nekuvakirwa dzimba, but maovhets ari kuzviramba, ari kuti hapana chakadaro, isusu we are for the people, kwete zvinhu zvokuda kutipusisa, hatidi zvokupusiswa. Thank you so much.